How to fix Snapchat crashing. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy fixes to get it running smoothly again. Start by rebooting your phone to clear the temporary glitches. Just restart your device once. The next thing you can do is go to App Store and search for Snapchat, and once you search for Snapchat, you will see update right here. The update is available. Just update it. The next thing you can do is go to Snapchat and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now tap on your gear icon at the top right corner. Here scroll down until you see the clear data option in the privacy control. Now tap on clear data. Here tap on clear cache and tap on clear again. Tap on OK. You can delete all unused app from your device. Now if the issue persists, you can just uninstall the Snapchat and restart your phone and again reinstall the app. And make sure your device operating system is fully updated. If these tips help you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and comment below with your questions. And thank you for watching.